Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the details of a particular product on the Wallapop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and after that type in the name of a particular product that you are searching for into the search bar, or you can either select a category from these vast variety of options that you can find below the search bar. You can also filter your search by using these filters: location, rent or buy, type of property, price, and so on. Click on the relevant one that you are interested in, scroll down to see the pictures and the details. Here you can find a description of the product, and here some information such as garage, garden or terrace. And here you can also see the exact location, and if you tap on the map you will be able to see the area where this real estate can be found. If you want to know further details of the of your product, then you can tap on the chat button down below in order to start a conversation with the seller and ask for further details. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.